Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the EA application on your PC. So let's get started right away. Now, since there is no official application for the Electronic Arts, you will need to download the web browser version. In order to continue with this, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in ea.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Electronic Arts website. Now, from this page, you can proceed with logging into your account first if you wish to do so by clicking on Profile, but you can also install it without logging in. Click on the three dots at the top right corner of your web browser and then scroll down and hover over to Save and Share. From this option, click on Create Shortcut, and now this will create a shortcut on your desktop. Make sure Open as Window is checked and then click on Create. And now this will immediately open up the Electronic Arts website in its own separate application. And you can also find the application shortcut on your desktop. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to install the Electronic Arts or EA application on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.